Hello viewers, welcome to Engineering Study Materials. Today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic called reverse engineering. It is a systematic methodology for analyzing the design of an existing device, for example an engine, either as an approach to study the design procedure or as a prerequisite or as a prerequirement for the redesign process. So let us discuss an example. If a person is going to a workshop or some other automobile industry and see an engine, so if he can design an engine, no. If he disassemble the whole parts and reassemble, he get a knowledge about the complete knowledge of the engine parts and the complete engine itself. So that makes him to design the simple parts or as a complete engine with the help of some others, and it helps him as a prerequirement for his redesigning process. So this is the basic concept. Then it developed a systematic approach to think about how the engineering works in that system, or as that technique how impacts on the particular product, and it helps to acquire a mental data bank, that is a mental data knowledge or information about the particular product of the mechanical design solution. So this helps him a lot to understand so what is the functions, how it works, how it can assemble as a complete product. So this is the basic of the reverse engineering. So this is the short video, friends. If you like this video, put a thumbs up and share this video to your friends to gain knowledge, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. So thank you for watching.